Hi, Rocky Grove. We're back again. Keegan is not too happy about it, but we're here. Anyway, recap on the week for us. We've been kind of busy doing house chores and
Not really, no.
yes, Keegan's doing excellent at his AP esports class. Anyway, so let's see, what have I done this week? I started to finish one of my paintings. I choreographed a number for Pippin whenever we get back to do that. I painted my closet. I did my 5K today run. That was pretty good since I haven't been running for a month, I guess. What else? Anything?
I don't know.
I taught Keegan how to put oil in the car. Necessary for my car, totally. Every 1,000 miles needs oil. It's terrible. Let's see, what else have we done? Oh, he's an excellent chef. He's doing an excellent job at chefing. Very impressive. Yes, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Let's see, what else have we done? Anything?
Nope.
Laundry. Yes.
Watched movies mostly.
Oh, yeah, we're doing a Marvel movie timeline marathon. But my husband falls asleep in the middle of it, so we have to stop the movies. Let's see. I think that's about, I mean, we've done lots of other stuff, but yeah. So anyway, we're going to play a piece that I love to play with my first year piano students. This is my favorite piece in the first book to play along with the students. So this is called Perilous Midnight Ride. I'm gonna pause. We're pausing. Hold. We forgot to put the thing down to see if people can see our
Well, we gotta
hand.
restart.
No, we go just cut it.
Dad, can you not do that?
All right, let's try this again. Robbie. Okay.
It's beautiful.
That was beautiful. Mistakes were made. But it's all good. Also, my husband is now working from home with us. Yay! Super fun. Anyway, just want to make sure everyone's staying active and staying healthy. Oh, and no going out and seeing your friends. Social distancing. Hey guys, I miss you so much. I can't wait to see you again. Talk to you later. Bye.